If you're setting up a new iPhone or have never used voicemail before, enabling it only takes a few minutes. Once it's set up, callers can leave voice messages whenever you are unable to answer, and you can listen to them directly from the phone app. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up voicemail on any iPhone running the latest version of iOS. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap the voicemail tab from the bottom bar. Tap Setup Now. Create a voicemail password and re-enter the password to confirm it. Choose default or custom greeting. The default option uses Apple's standard voicemail greeting, while custom lets you record your own personalized greeting. If you have selected custom, tap record, speak your greeting, and then tap on stop. Tap save when you are finished. Your voicemail is now ready to receive messages. If you want to update your greeting later, open the phone app, tap voicemail, then tap greeting in the upper left corner. Select custom and tap record and create a new greeting. Tap save when you are done. When someone leaves you a voicemail, open the phone app, tap the voicemail tab, select a voicemail message, and tap the play button to listen. You can also delete, share, or save voicemail messages directly from this screen. If you don't see the Setup Now option or voicemail isn't working, you can try these fixes. First of all, make sure voicemail is supported. Voicemail is provided by your mobile carrier. Some carriers require voicemail to be enabled on your account before you can use it. You can also restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary network or setup issues. Update carrier settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on About. If a carrier setting update is available, you will be prompted to install it. Reset your network settings. If voicemail isn't working, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset and finally choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. You should also contact your carrier. If voicemail still cannot be set up, your carrier may need to activate voicemail on your account. Setting up voicemail on iPhone only takes a minute and ensures you never miss important messages when you can't answer your phone. If the setup option doesn't appear, it's usually due to a carrier-related issue that can be resolved by updating carrier settings or contacting your mobile provider. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching.